So today is, I think, what date is today? I think today is the August 8th, because the 6th was Saturday, Sunday the 7th, Monday the 8th, right? So today is the 8th. This is August update for Harbour City Shopping Center, and as you can see, I don't know if you're keeping track of the construction that I've been posting on my channel. There are a few changes since my last visit. I think the last video I did a view from the coastal side. Yeah, from the coast. As you can see over this section, which is the first section, and it looks like the smallest part of the building. It looks like glass. Is that glass? That green section there? Over to that side, yeah, that they've put in glass in the building. Yep. All right, so the blocks are up and the window sections side of the Harbour City Shopping Center project. I'm seeing the same kind of framing that they had put up for the rest of the building. They put up some framing here at the side, so it looks like they're going to do another structure over this side. This section seems to be filled out, much more filled out than the last time. They're putting up blocks already on the second part of the building. And remember, as I said, the Harbour City Shopping Center is on Howard Cook Boulevard, right in front of Bay West Shopping Center, well, behind Bay West Shopping Center, beside Sagicor and beside Harmony Beach Park. So over this side here, that's Harmony Beach Park. All right. So if you haven't seen the video where I showed you a view of Harbour City Shopping Center from the coastal side, I took a boat ride and I showed you the whole of the coast, as a matter of fact, from about Pier 1 going all the way out to Dead End. So you can have a look at that video. I'll link it above and below as well. Now we're gonna go over to the Sagicor side of the building. There is one section. I'm on the Sagicor side, but I'm not by Sagicor, so I'm gonna stop over there. View Montego Bay's coastline from Pier 1 all the way out to Dead End Beach in this next video.